Hey, this is Grant with Live Tap List. I'm going to give you a quick demo of Live Tap List menu platform. I'm on livetaplist.com where you can go to sign up for a free trial. Go ahead and pick the package that makes sense to you based on the features you need for your menus and start the trial today. I've already done that, so I'm going to click Login in the top right, and it takes me to my dashboard where I'll sign in with my Google account, and it'll load up my dashboard with all the accounts that are connected to my subscription, and it drops me on the drinks list. This is where you manage all of your menu items and the data associated with them, including their names, categories, images, and then over here you can see sizes and prices. It's all editable right here, and you can mark whether these items are available or not available right now. Let's make them all available and show how this list powers your menu boards, your print menu, your QR code menu, and your website embed. On the menu boards tab, you get a preview of what your digital menu board is going to look like, and then on the left you have options to configure what shows and what it looks like. You can change, only show certain categories if you'd like, only show certain details such as hide the images. All of that's configurable under this tab. You have the ability to show promos. So bottom promo banner, you can either type a message or upload an image and choose how often that rotates. You can do full screen promos as well that take over the entire screen. You can change all the text, fonts, sizes, color to match your brand, and you can remove things such as the headings to get a little bit more space to show your beers. Your layout is configurable under here. Right now this is a landscape horizontal TV layout. You can choose to rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise if you've hung a vertical TV. Once you do that, you'd probably want to change a couple other things like make it a single column layout, maybe add a little spacing in between. Let's get back to where we were, up to 2 columns, back to this layout. And any edits that you make right here, as soon as you save them, they're updated on your board live. So you can put this up on a board, make changes live without having to refresh or anything like that. We have themes to get you started, such as a chalkboard theme or a game day theme, just to get your inspiration, a little inspiration for you. And then you can use those as a starting place, but then change your fonts, colors, anything else. You can upload your own background image, or you can search for a stock image. We've got some gradients loaded up already, but you can search for anything and get that to work for you as well. And then you can make that image darker or lighter to make it easier to read the text. On the drink list, if I say that beer number 1 is no longer active and click save, then it falls off of that menu board, and it does that live. You don't have to refresh anything. Same thing for the print. You can see that's driven by that drink list. Beer number 1's no longer here. And you also have similar configuration options. Upload a logo, change your colors, change your layout. It's all over on the left side here. We also have a QR code menu that is a generated QR code that you can use to display a very simple version of your menu. What shows there is actually configured by your web embed code. So let me choose to show the images, and then I'll see those images now appear on this. You can embed this exact menu on your website by grabbing this code. But the beauty of this is instead of looking black and white like it does here, it'll adapt to what your website styles are. I've got a sample on my website where I'm embedding that in this live demo page. It loads up, and as you can see, that's the same menu, but it's now using white text and a brown background, which is exactly how I've got this website configured. So it'll always match the fonts, colors, text size, everything from your website. It'll match your branding right away out of the box. Just to show you a cool thing about how the live update works, let me open this on one side and this on another and show you if I wanted to hide images, even as someone's browsing your website, it'll upload for them, update for them. Same thing with changing the menu itself. If I go to the drinks list, say number 1 is now available, now they know the beer number 1 came back on, and then it updated the last updated right in front of their face, so they know that this is the most up-to-date menu that is available. Go back and put those images back. Now we've got a really nice looking menu on our website. So go ahead, livetaplist.com, start your free trial today, and reach out to me if you need any help or have any questions. I'm happy to get you started and get your menus looking great. Thanks.